In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can update FIlmora to the latest version. But before you can do that, you have to make sure that you are using FIlmora that is registered, that is original. Even though it's free version, make sure it is something that is, supported directly by the developer. If you are using the Jack Sparrow version, unfortunately, you cannot update FIlmora and you are basically stuck to that version. But for everybody else that's using FIlmora, either free or pro, then here's how you can update the software. First, go to the help menu right here and then click check for update, and just wait. If there is a new update, you are going to be notified and you can update the software immediately. Now, as you can see, there is a new version available that I can update, and this is just the change log, or basically the changes that we are going to get when we are updating to the new feature, the new version. I'm going to click update, and we just need to wait until it finishes. In a lot of times, you can actually just keep the update running and you can, still continue editing using the program normally, and the update is happening in the background. So right here, it's FIlmora, it's running the update, and we just need to wait until it finishes. You can minimize it and continue the editing as normal. So that's basically it. That's how you can update FIlmora by going to the help menu and then check for update. And if it is done, it's going to notify you, and you can install, continue the update. Usually it's going to ask you to restart the computer or restart the program to finish the update. So yeah, if you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.